We are group 6. This is our topic. It's time to travel down the View. My name is Gloria.
I'm Vicky.
I'm you.
Familiarity. Location, environment, local food, culture, leisure activity. It's a small Asian farm with the number is
This is perfect for enjoying active foods. Local food is right by a big ocean, so everything is super fresh and full of ocean flavor and a great place for seafood lovers.
Canali is home to the Palm Beach Tree. Canali